So my medal arrived. So when I think of it, I should have done this differently. It's no surprise to me, at least. That's a lot of pieces. So the idea was, this is like a nice arc, but the idea was making the arc out of pieces that are this wide. So I'm not even sure if this will fit. Has a slight wobble. But so you can like do it like this. So now there is a bit of a wobble because the wood is not correct. And I designed this with the idea of recessing it in the wood, which actually, after I ordered this, might not be the best solution. Maybe tape is better. It's more solid, it damps more. On the other hand, I should have added like a few holes so I can use it as well as, I don't know, if we just want to make a tweeter this high, which I probably won't, or this high. I have some holes to put through the frame. I had this and I removed it, and now I think, shit, I wish I left it. But you could make an arc like this, but I also could use them flat and use like the very long magnets I have, like these. Bit weird, but well, you could. It's kind of a modular thingy. That was the idea. Or use the 50mm ones. Use it like this. Etc. etc. These are based on like really tweeter thingy. So a part of the coil will sit here, at least one trace or something, and one trace over here that will fire into the metal itself, which is the way many of these kind of tweeters are. Although most use like coil here where it's open. But yeah, I didn't opt for another row of holes here and there, which also might be easier since I can use it for more things than just a tweeter. But yeah, I tend to buy these kind of things without thinking too much about what is actually useful. I mean, this is useful, but it could be more useful. So this is round, which is not ideal. Normally I would like made it out of straights. But I'm sure if I put like a foamy bit of tape over here, it will work. Maybe I'll try that just for fun and giggles. Just a small piece. So got some of those tapes. Say, whoop. Wait more tape. Oh, already did. Stinky! Yeah. Then, you know, go from there. just an idea. Kind of cool, I think. Yeah, really nice and solid. This is possibly because it's single-ended, so also looks quite cool, but you won't see this, but unless I make it push-pull, but that's gonna be a bit more of a problem than here. We have some more, and then tape will not survive, be sufficient. It will rip apart eventually by the magnetic force. So yeah. Quite interesting. So yeah, I wish I had holes here and here, here and here, so you can do whatever. But I like the fact that I can use it like this if I want to. Or I can make like a tweeter that is this high, just because we can. Or, you know, whatever, make something larger. Like, how long tweeter do you want? I'll just add some or remove some. I think that's kind of cool. Maybe other people think differently about it, but I think it's funny. Next time, add holes. Oh, also if you do not need them, because they might come in handy, and rather have them there instead of not doing them, and wish they were there. Now I probably have to drill holes myself, which is not very nice, if I ever use it this way. But yeah. Could be interesting. I mean, this is for 50 millimeters of magnets, but I could make the same for these large magnets. So just a panel that looks like this when cut. Pretty cool, I think. You know, this would be a very large or long tweeter. This would be quite nice. Not sure if you can get the efficiency. That maybe has to be push-pull like this. But then these holes would be nice to have, which I do not have. Or this is a back plate and maybe a larger one that acts like a front plate. You could do so many things. Yep. That's the problem. You can do so many things because there is no limit of what not so much I can do, but you can do. You can buy and make everything lately. It makes it hard to choose something and go for it instead of making all kinds of random stuff like I do usually. So yeah.